Alright, I probably should not be around here at night, but bin full, closed. So we'll take care of our cans here at Food Basics. And you know what? If the guy's up to it, maybe I can get him to fix the plastic. Because all I have is cans of plastic. Let me put the camera down, guys, so I can open this bag. Because I can't exactly do it with one hand. And away we go. Gotta go inside for the plastic. They gotta fix it.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You
Sure.
tell, yeah?
What?
You tell, yeah, inside. You.
Yeah, you have to tell them. You have to go tell them. I'm working on my cans right now, so you better go tell them. No problem. Oh, come on, doesn't accept? Can't read barcode. Alright, well, you know what? I do wanna, just so you could see a bit better, that's what the inside of the machine looks like. Can't read barcode. Time for a wipe down. Also, quick look at what the machine looks like. Thing likes to growl. I don't know what a towel's doing in there. Alright, well, I of course have more cans. Come on, take it. I know I got more. Here's one. Come on, take it. Bottom edge first. It seems this machine likes its bottles bottom first. I know that sounded wrong, but can it be it? I doubt it, because I know I had a ton of these cans. Just get out the flashlight. I don't see any cans, believe it or not, so. And that's it.